Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by locating the deleted app in the store listing. This is faster than guessing. First, sign into the same Apple ID or Google account you used before, because purchases and download history tie to that account. Once signed in, open the App Store or Google Play and go directly to Purchased or Library to surface previously installed apps. Make sure your device is on Wi-Fi and has free storage so you can reinstall immediately. And note the app's exact name for quicker searching. Once you've found the app in the store, the next step is restoring its data if you need it. On iOS, check iCloud backups or offload app history so data can be recovered when you reinstall. Go to Settings General iPhone Storage for specifics. On Android, inspect Google Drive Backups or the Backup section under Settings Google. Also browse Settings apps to reveal hidden or disabled apps. If a backup includes app data, reinstalling will trigger the system to restore that data automatically, so be patient and monitor progress. Finally, reinstall the app from the App Store or Google Play and open it. Many apps pull data from cloud accounts automatically. If the app opens but data is missing, make sure you logged into the same in-app account, then check for a full device backup and restore that backup only if necessary. If restore still fails, contact the app developer for server-side recovery options. One key troubleshooting tip: if reinstall stalls or fails, clear the store cache. Sign out and back in, then retry the download.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.